Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience. Hey everyone! If you're looking to connect Messenger Lite to Facebook Lite, or wondering about the connection between the standard Facebook and Messenger apps, you're in the right spot. Linking them up is surprisingly straightforward. It's important to understand that Facebook and Messenger are inherently linked, so there's no complex setup required. You don't need to jump through hoops or anything like that. The process is simple. First, open the Facebook app and ensure you're logged into your account. Next, open the Messenger app and confirm you're logged in using the same account credentials. Once you've done this, Facebook might prompt you to synchronize your Messenger. That's it. Your Messenger will then be synced with your Facebook account. Furthermore, as a demonstration, if I attempt to access Messenger conversations within the Facebook app, I'm seamlessly redirected to the Messenger app. It truly is that easy. This integration streamlines your messaging experience. See how effortless it is to connect these platforms? Thanks for tuning in, and remember to leave a like and subscribe for more Rome tips.